Installation tutorial. Take out one side handle hanger. Observe the size of the hanger hole position. Place the handle hole of the line on the side close to the screen. Just tighten the screws one by one. Take out the handle hanger on the other side. Place the handle hole of the line handle on the side close to the screen. Just tighten the screws one by one. Take out the line handle with the blue connecting cable interface and the probe of the required model. After inserting the probe into the handle slot tightly, place the handle on the handle hanger. Observe the markings on the connector. Then insert it into the corresponding color port with the markings facing upward. Take out the required dot probe and connecting wire. After observing the correspondence between the connector identification and the triangular identification at the connection point of the dot probe, simply insert it directly. After placing the dot probe on the handle frame, observe the identification of the plug on the other end of the connecting wire. Insert the marker upwards into the interface marked with the dot probe marker. Take out the green blade handle and the required probe for the connecting wire connector. Insert the probe into the handle slot along the handle. Place the handle on the hanger and observe the markings on the plug on the other side. After raising the label, insert it into the corresponding color blade interface. Take out the handle of the circling probe and the required probe. After observing the corresponding markings at the connection between the handle and the probe, simply insert it directly. Press the button on the handle to adjust the angle of the handle and release it to lock-ins. Place the handle on the hanger and pick up the other end of the connecting cable. Observe the label on the plug and insert it upwards into the interface with the 360 circle probe. Take out the foot pedal required for the circle probe operation. Observe the groove markings on the connecting wire joints corresponding to the interface identifier. Simply insert it and tighten it. Power cord interface. Power switch. Handle insertion and replacement tutorial. When pulling out the handle connection cable, pinch both ends of the cable head with your fingers. Pull it back towards your palm, and then pull it out at the same time. Attention! Do not use brute force when inserting or unplugging is not smooth. Please check if the operation method is correct. Use your fingers to pinch both ends of the remaining connecting wires. Pull them back towards your palm, and then pull them out at the same time. When replacing the line probe, press the green button on the back of the handle. After pressing the button, the probe will automatically pop up, and the probe can be removed at this time. During installation, there is no need to press a button, simply follow the slot and install directly. When pulling out the dot probe, pinch both ends of the connecting wire with your fingers. Pull it back toward your palm, and then pull it out at the same time. When replacing the circling probe, it is necessary to simultaneously press the white buttons on both sides of the handle. After pressing the button at the same time, simply pull it out. When installing, insert the probe directly into the handle after aligning it with the probe operation tutorial. After connecting the power supply, turn on the device. Click on the screen to enter the device selection interface. The R corresponds to the right line handle. L corresponds to the left line handle. T360 corresponds to the handle of the circling probe. SP corresponds to the dot probe. Pick up the right handle. Click on the handle with R and enter the operation interface. Click the settings button to enter the settings interface, where you can adjust the language, the current model probe, current remaining number of probes, current number of probes used. SP is a dot mode and MP is a linear mode. Adjustable length and spacing in dot mode. Adjustable length in linear mode. Non-adjustable spacing. One way is the manual single shot mode. Unrepeated is the automatic continuous mode. Adjust the current power level of the handle. Click the standby button, and the handle light will start flashing, indicating that the handle has entered the preparation mode. Press the handle button, and the handle will start working. Input mode. The handle produces evenly distributed pull-like energy. Click the prepare button to turn off the working state of the handle. Click MP to switch to linear mode. Adjust the appropriate frequency. Click on standby. The handle light flashes. indicating that it has entered the working state. Press the handle button, and the handle will start working. In linear mode, the handle generates linear energy. Click the button to end the operation and place the handle in its original position. Click the button to return to the handle selection interface. Pick up the handle of the 360 circle head and click to enter the 360 circle head operation interface. Probe model display. Current remaining shots of probes. Current number of shots used. SP is a circular dot mode. MP is a linear mode. In point mode, the length and spacing can be adjusted. Adjustable length in linear mode. Non-adjustable spacing. One way is the manual single shot mode. Repetition is in automatic continuous mode. Adjust the power level size. Click the standby button, the handle light flashes, and the handle enters the working state. The 360 circle probe operation needs to be used in conjunction with the foot pedal. Step on the foot pedal, the handle starts working, and the probe emits circular point-like energy. Click MP to switch to linear mode. Adjust the appropriate intensity. Step on the foot pedal, the handle starts working, and the probe emits circular linear energy. Operation completed. Click pause. Put back the handle. Click to return to the handle selection interface. Click to enter the dot probe operation interface. Take out the handle of the dot probe. Probe model display. Corresponding to the currently connected probe model. Current remaining shots of probes. Current number of shots used. The dot probe only has point mode, and there is no linear mode. Dot speed adjustment. Handle power level adjustment. Click the button to enter preparation mode. Start pause button. Press the probe button, and the probe will release point-like energy. Operation completed. Press the button to pause. Put back the probe. Attention! When the handle is not inserted or not inserted properly, the operation interface will display probe not connected. At this point, reinsert the probe and the handle light will flash for a few seconds before it can be restored.